Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. It's gonna be a get ready with me, so you can hear my channel right now. Then hop in there. I'm gonna probably co-wash my hair, I'm gonna shave, wash my body, and I'm gonna hop out. And then y'all gonna see me get all dolled up. Today's New Year's Eve, and I'm gonna go out tonight. But this video is gonna be probably put up after that, so I'm fresh out the shower. Gotta stay hydrated. This light is not the best, but let's just get started. Now I'm gonna do my eyeshadow. This is the Stila Aqua Glow Serum Concealer. I actually really don't like this concealer, but we're just gonna use it as a base. So I'm moisturizing with the Nivea cream. I'm going in with the Professional Pore Primer. Get a little of this. Ooh, fuck. Get a little of this shit. And this is my first time ever trying this out. I got the travel size on, and I love this shit. Like, it really, I don't know if you guys can like see it. It's already just, this part of my skin is just blurred. Like, I put a fucking filter. I know y'all fucking seen that. I'll do it over here too. Oh my god. But yeah, this shit works. Okay, for this, I'm gonna use it's my Ray Ray palette at BH Cosmetics. I would usually use my Jaclyn Hill palette, but I don't know where it is right now. That sounds bad, right? So, and I'm not gonna show y'all this palette because it's ugly. But I'm gonna check a light transitioning color and work that into the crease. Okay, so since we're all transitioned up, I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna try to show it the other way. Yeah, this palette's destroyed. This is concealer from today. I'm gonna go in with this reddish color, and then I think I'm gonna go in with this color on top of that and on the eyelid. I'm kind of going for like a burgundy-ish look because the coat that I'm wearing is like a reddish color. So let's see if this works out. So I'm taking, oh, it's called Sunset. So it's probably gonna be really red. I'm just gonna work that into the brown color. Well, now we're gonna go in with that purpley color. just tapped on a little bit more concealer. Just to make the color pop. Okay, we're looking very vampy, very grungy. We're looking real basic right now, so I'm gonna do my face and then we're gonna come back to the eyes. Okay, we're almost fucking done. So I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter. Okay, now to finish the eyes, I'm going to, what am I going to do? I'm going to mix basically, I'm gonna put the darkest color, which is that purple color, up underneath here. Okay. We're looking like a motherfucking daddy. Sorry, that's my fucking boyfriend. So for my hair, I'm just gonna put some of this Can2 for Kids in it, and we're gonna fucking go. Okay guys, so I know I said I was just gonna put some hair product in and that's it, but this is what happened. I did a little half up, half down, you know, wrapped a little hair around there, but I'm gonna do my edges for y'all, so it's not all bad, you know. It's not all bad. I'm using Got to Be Glue. And we're going, oh shit, that's a fucking lot I have on the brush. I'm gonna give it to everything. And I should have done my fucking baby hair first. But, you know, oh Lord, does that ever happen to you? You know, I'm just literally sweeping up foundation. This is the jacket, and it's so cute. I try to match my eyeshadow with it. And then this is the little black dress. So I got this jacket from Ross, obviously, and this from Forever 21. And then I'm gonna show you my shoes in a second.
I know how to go and get a bag, don't I? I know how to get a bitch.